Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, if you're brand new, make sure you drop a subscribe right down at the bottom down here. Make sure you like the video and share it as well. Referee, hurry up and blow the whistle. Let's go, fam. Hey, these new pundits or old pundits or whatever them call themselves have some takes in football that just, if you wake up from a coma 10 years on, and you hear them takes, they start to say people are mad smaddy. Completely mad, insane, fam. Totally and utterly insane. This man named Jamie Carragher, open up his mouth and say to the world that Van Dijk is better than Nemanja Vidic. Listen what I'm saying to you people. This man said, without a shadow of a doubt, that Virgil van Disney is better than Nemanja Vidic. Nemanja Vidic, the man that put him head where feet should be for Manchester United. Van Disney is better than Nemanja Vidic? Are you fucking kidding me, fam? Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Check this out. Nemanja Vidic versus Virgil van Disney. Virgil van Dijk right now has 220 appearances for Liverpool. Nemanja Vidic, 211. Here the results from those appearances. Remember, Van Dijk, more than 220. Vidic, 211. Listen, wins, 214 for Nemanja Vidic. 135 for Van Disney. Losses, 27 losses for Vidic. 40 losses for Van Dijk. Goals conceded, 133 for Vidic. 202 for Van Disney. Clean sheets, 95 for Vidic. Just 90 for Van Disney. Tackle successes, 68% to Van Disney, 75% to Vidic. Aerial duels, 73% for Vidic, 74% for Van Dijk. Goals, 15 for Vidic, 20 for Van Dijk. Assists, 3 for Vidic, 4 for Van Dijk. Game-winning goals, 8 for Vidic, 4 for Van Dijk. Last-minute tackles, 15 for Vidic, 5 for Van Disney. Goal line clearances, 4 for Vidic, just 3 for Van Disney. Errors leading to goals, 3 for Vidic, 4 for Van Disney. Most goals in the season, 5 each. Player of the season, 2 for Vidic, 1 for Van Dijk. Try remember that. 2 for Vidic, 1 for Van Dijk. Now here's the argument that's going to quench all arguments about Vidic and Van Dijk in this day and age. Each one of them have 1 Champions League title. Van Disney get 1 Premier League title when nobody in the night stadium to see him lift it. When COVID was on and nobody watched the games live. Vidic win 5 Premier Leagues, 2 of which he was captain, 3 of which they were a 3-piece. 1, 2, 3 each year. Every year, 3 years in a row. So how can you, with common sense, look at genuine people who are trying to live them life, a conscious life, and say that Van Disney is better than Vidic? Listen, man, are you guys mad? Are you fucking mad, fam? Yo, the only reason why people think that Rio Ferdinand is better than Vidic is because Rio Ferdinand have those passes that was just silky. He's just good on the ball. That was it. Everything else, Vidic is the second best defender Manchester United has ever seen. And the first, Yam Stamp. You remember that. You bumbuckler, remember that. You're Jamie Carragher. You thought I'm bumbuckler, right? And people listen, it's only fair that I as the fourth official state without any hesitation that we as fans need to figure out a way to police the police when it comes to these referees. Because what happened in the Arsenal versus Liverpool game the other day was absolutely catastrophic. The man give Robinson a blood clot elbow. Just in the middle of the game, halftime, they were going into the dressing room, and I don't know what Robo said to the man, but the man gave Robo a bumbo clot elbow. I remember what they did to Mitrovic the other day. Give him an 8-game ban for little shove. Just a little shove on him and him give him an 8-game ban. They need to give this man an 18-game ban or fire him blood clot completely because what? Fear is fear. Me can't touch you. You should not touch me. You should not touch me. Just like how I cannot and should not and must not touch you. People, remember, drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Thank you very much for watching. This has been the fourth official. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.